Trinayani's Towards Inclusion card games have over the past 4 years become a powerful tool in disability awareness workshops across the country. They have engaged diverse stakeholders from the academic community, special educators, counselors, and students at school, college, and university levels to teams across the corporate sector. Their distinctive strength lies in using joyful, nostalgic card games that remind us of childhood, to spark conversations around a topic that is often overlooked or considered uninteresting. A recent session at NIPMED Chennai reaffirmed their impact. The room lit up as more than 100 participants, B.Ed and M.Ed students, professionals, and special educators gathered around the games. Lively conversations, curious questions, and thoughtful debates filled the space, demonstrating once again how these games open doors to dialogue and deeper understanding. As the first of its kind, uniquely designed card game set on disability awareness in India, Towards Inclusion is a resource that everyone should use. Teachers, trainers, organizations, and students alike. These games help build a more aware, sensitive, and tolerant society, reminding us that each of us has a role to play in creating inclusive spaces and affirming a world where no one is left behind.